Hello, my name is Nicole Boyle, and in this PowerPoint presentation, I'm going to be talking about my grant proposal, which I've titled CMSU's Mental Health Housing and Housing Education Program. First, I want to paint a little bit of a background picture of the area in which I live and work, and how there is a lack of affordable housing in this area. So, this grant proposal will address the need for safe and affordable housing in the CMSU service region, which is located in central Pennsylvania. CMSU is a behavioral health and developmental service organization that serves clients in the Columbia, Montour, Snyder, and Union counties. CMSU roughly serves between 3,000 and 4,000 people per year, and again, this number fluctuates depending on the number of referrals coming in and the number of discharges per year. CMSU, again, covers a 4-county region, but I just wanted to paint a little bit of a picture with the cost of rent compared to the income coming in for the people served in our area. So the average cost of rent in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania, which is where I work, is $745 per month. The average income for people with mental health disabilities is $914 in 2023. I don't know an exact number, but a high percentage of the people that we serve are living on fixed incomes and are specifically on the Social Security supplemental income. So there is a pretty big disparity between the cost of rent compared to the income that these people are living on. Again, there's a lot of risks associated with people who lack safe housing or are homeless. They experience higher mortality rates and poorer quality of life. Again, I feel like those two things are pretty much a given. But people who lack safe housing or are homeless also experience an increase in physical health issues, such as AIDS, HIV, hypertension or high blood pressure, diabetes, and asthma. There's also an increase in substance use and abuse, and as well as an increase in mental health issues. So, as I was working on my grant proposal, I developed these goals and objectives related to it, and I came up with 2 different goals. The first goal being to establish a working relationship with at least 10 local landlords spread throughout the CMSU service region to secure affordable housing for the CMSU clientele. Within that goal, there are 4 different objectives. The first is to hold an open house discussion and invite these local landlords from the service region to hear about the program proposal by March 25th of 2024. The second objective is to train all CMSU staff on how to better assist clients in need of safe and affordable housing by November 25th of 2024. CMSU will also work with local landlords to identify eligible properties in the area that will be available for the clients, and they will assist these landlords in the process of making properties HUD approved by June of 2024. And then by the end of 2024, CMSU, along with the local landlords, will work to have at least 10 apartments become HUD approved. The second goal that I came up with for my program proposal is to assist consumers within the region, service region, with costs associated with affordable and safe housing. So within that goal, there's 2 different objectives. The first is that staff will utilize appropriate resources and assessments to assist all consumers in preparing for independent living. And CMSU will utilize funding from the grant to assist at least 10 clients per fiscal year with costs associated with housing, such as security deposits and first month's rent. Within the grant, I developed a budget of $25,000 for the first year that will cover several different things. So the first $14,900 will go towards security deposit and first month's rent for at least 10 individuals served at CMSU during the first year of the program. I came up with that number based on the average rent in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania, which again is $745, multiplied that by 10, and then multiplied that number by 2, because the security deposit is often, most times, the same amount as first month's rent. $9,600 will go towards improvements in the landlord-owned apartments that are not yet HUD approved. For those of you who don't know, HUD is pretty strict with their guidelines on what apartments become approved. So again, some of that money will be used for improvements and accommodations. The last $500 in the budget will be used toward training materials for CMSU employees working with individuals in need of housing. And again, all CMSU employees will need to complete that training. So the program will roll out over a 12-month period ending in November of 2024. The first phase is pretty much to get the information out about the program to local landlords in the CMSU service region and to hold an informational Q&A about the program by March of 2024. After the Q&A, CMSU will begin to distribute training modules to all staff in March of 2024, and they all need to be completed by November of 2024. After CMSU partners with some landlords who agree to sign on to the program, CMSU will assist those landlords who need to complete repairs and accommodations to ensure their properties are HUD approved beginning in June of 2024. And once the apartments are ready after June of 2024, CMSU will work with the landlords to rent them out to CMSU clients, assisting with security deposits and first month's rent as needed. And here are 2 references that I used in my presentation, and thank you very much for listening.